We're getting new tires for the 435 and trying out a new service by Spiffy. Let's go. I've known that I needed new tires for a while now, and I've just been slacking because, well, I'm not driving as much. But recently I got a nail on my tire, and so that kind of forced me to go look at tires. So I went to TireRack.com and I was browsing through all the tires, and I knew that I was not gonna get a run flat. The ride is a lot harder, and let's face it, the tire costs twice as much. So I was looking through and I decided to go with the Bridgestone Potenza, and they're the pole positions. Now it's the most comparable to the S001s that I had on previously, so I figured I'd try these out. The size that I went with are the 255/35 R19s. So they should ride, or not ride, but they should, look and perform just as well as my last ones, but they should ride a lot better not being run flats. Now, this isn't necessarily a review on these tires. I'm gonna review them after I get a few miles on them, but we are gonna review a company called Spiffy. Now, Spiffy was born in the RDU area, and since 2014, now has locations across the US offering various services, one of them being tire replacement. Now, I went to TireRack.com and ordered my tires, and Spiffy was one of the recommended installers. So I decided to try them out. I had heard about their services previously where they would wash the outside of your car. I know that they also do sanitization of cars and buildings and so forth. So I thought, let's give them a try because they offer so many different services, and tire replacement is actually one of their newer services. They have an app, which is pretty cool. So once they pick up your tires, they actually send you an email, and then they set up an account for you and so on. And then you can actually go through the app and set up your appointment and everything and get it all set. And you actually don't even need to be there. Your car needs to be there. You can set the keys in a safe place. They can do whatever they need to do, and they'll leave the keys in that same spot and you'll be good to go. So if you're on meetings or you're doing whatever, you don't need to go and take it to a place, sit there for a couple hours, wait, because let's face it, when you go there at your appointment time, they don't fit you in right away. This way they come to you, they fix your tire wherever you're at. If you're driving into work or something like that, they'll come to your work and fix the tire. Pretty awesome service. So I met Walter today, and he came out, brought the tires with him. He had all the equipment needed. Their van's pretty awesome. I can't show you the inside of their van, but they have everything needed to mount and balance a tire correctly. They had all the equipment to jack up the car and everything. It was a really cool operation that they have going on, and really convenient. Walter did a great job. He took care when he was mounting the tires. They actually used lugs with the safety tape around them so they're not scratching up your rim. I mean, really professional, really great job. I would absolutely recommend Spiffy. Now, I'll give you a review of these tires later on after, like I said, I get a few miles on them and let you know how they perform over the tires that I previously had. Now, what's cool is while they're doing your tires, you can sit back, watch your favorite F33 video, and relax. Overall, I found the Spiffy tire replacement service awesome. It was a huge time saver. I give it a big thumbs up and recommend them if they offer services in your area. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, click that like button, smash it if that's what you're into, and I'll see you on the next one.